Have you ever wondered why medium well steak is cooked at 145, 155, 85 BDF? Join us as we explore this culinary temperature range to reveal what makes it perfect. Let's start with the basics. Medium well steak is cooked to an internal temperature of 145, 1555 degrees, whereas 55 weighs 55, which ensures a slight hint of pink in the center and predominant cooking through. It's only categorized as medium well at 150, 155 by Resev 5 Resev 5 Resev. This temperature range kills most harmful bacteria, ensuring food safety. To achieve a perfect medium well steak with sous vide cooking, set the machine to 150, 15 Resev 5 Resev 5 Resev 5 Resev 5. This method provides precise temperature control and even cooking. Visually, a medium well steak will show just a hint of light pink in the very center with grayness dominating most of the interior. Pressing gently reveals firm texture. For steaks under an inch thick, cooking to this temperature ensures a perfectly medium well steak every time, especially with cuts like ribeye or strip for best results. In summary, the ideal range of 145 4555 degrees for medium well steaks provides a balance between texture and safety, offering a delightful culinary experience. What's your favorite method to achieve the perfect medium well steak? Share in the comments.